This is how to connect your Cash App to Zelle. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, look up Cash App, and update and install the app. And make sure to do the same thing with Zelle as well. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up Zelle. If you don't already have an account signed up with Zelle, go ahead and press sign up right there. If not, you already have an account, let's go ahead and add our mobile number right here. Once you press sign in, we're going to press on this bubble right here and then go continue. And here you'll search for whatever bank that you're currently using. This will of course vary because everybody has a different bank that they use. I use Capital One, so I'm going to press on that. And here it says you've already got Zelle already in your banking app. Easily send and receive money with Zelle through your bank. Now 8 out of 10 times this will be for your bank as well. Go and press go to your banking app right here. And of course I use Capital One, but you might have to install Chase Bank. If you're using Chase, whatever the app is, make sure you have that app installed. Now this will differ between all of the banking apps, but you should see an option right here, send money with Zelle. Once you press that, it's going to give you the option to send or request money. Let's go and navigate over to Cash App app. We're going to go to the top right to a profile. Head on over down to linked banks right here. So that bank account that we have connected with Zelle, we're going to link that bank to our Cash App on this screen right here. In order to send money and request money through Cash App and Zelle, you would go right here to your banking info on Cash App. If you'd like to add cash, this will withdraw from Zelle and deposit into your Cash App. Or if you cash out, this will withdraw from your cash balance and then head into your Zelle account. That is how you connect your Cash App to Zelle.